Getting a Capital One virtual debit card is a simple process that allows you to shop online securely. Here's how you can get yours. Open Capital One account. First, ensure you have an active Capital One account, whether it's a checking or savings account. If you don't have one, visit the Capital One website or download the Capital One app to open an account. Download the Capital One mobile app. Download the Capital One mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The app is required to manage your virtual debit card. Log into your account. Once the app is installed, log in using your credentials. If you haven't registered yet, follow the prompts to set up your account. Access the card section. In the Capital One app, go to the card section of the virtual debit card option. This may be available under your existing debit card settings. Request your virtual debit card. Follow the prompts to request your virtual debit card. Capital One will provide you with a temporary virtual debit card number, expiration date and CVV. Start using your virtual card. Once activated, you can use your virtual debit card for online purchases or to make payments anywhere that accepts debit cards. It functions just like a physical debit card, but with added security for online transactions.